Never hate your enemies. It affects your judgment. A man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. Your enemies always get stronger on what you leave behind. The strength of family, like the strength of an army, lies in its loyalty to each other. Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer. A friend should always underestimate your virtue, and enemy underestimate your faults. Friendship is everything. Friendship is more than talent. It is more than the government. It is almost equal of family. The lawyer with briefcase can steal more money than the man with gun. Behind every successful fortune, there is a crime. Many young men started down a false path to their true destiny. Time and fortune usually set them right. Power isn't everything, it's the only thing. Never let anyone know what you are thinking. Let us be separated by wars and pestilence, dead madness, but not by the passing of time. When they come at what you love. Do not count on the gratitude of deeds done for people in the past. You must make them grateful for things you will do for them in the future. Actions define a man. Words were fought in wine. Men, in general, sooner forget the lost their matrimony than the death of their father. He should be careful. It's dangerous to be an honest man. Revenge is a dish best served cold. A man who is not a father to his children can never be a real man. Falling in love is great, but being in love is disaster.